Good morning, everybody. It's like 6:45 on Sunday morning, February the 12th. And I am zooming in the woods behind my house, and there are, it was like 3 or 4 deer back there. And my cats are back there going crazy, stalking them. You have to look hard. They're camouflaged in the brown trees. No, I count 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm seeing 4 of them back there. And we live out in the country, and we have woods behind our house. So it's just absolutely a delight to see these does back here. Now you can see them more clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, maybe there's 5 of them. Maybe there's 5 of them. Look at that. There we go. There's some movement back there. Anyway, I just let our 2 kittens, well, they're not kittens, our 2 cats out, and they were running to them and stalking them like hunters, because they're little panthers. Now the cats have already run off, so you can't see them in the frame, but they were there checking them out. Oh, wait a second. I do see one of my cats over there. You see that little black spot? Let's see if I can't focus in. Oh, I can't focus in any more than that. But there's one of my cats back there. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you the wonderful nature scene that I have out behind our house this morning. The deer. Alright, you all, you have a great day, and I hope you've enjoyed this nature scene.